Hi Anan, how are you?
Good. Anan's having a nice cup of tea. Sipping her tea. This is made of lemongrass, ginger. I have, what else? I put mint, agave, star anise, cinnamon. It's pretty delicious. She loves it. So instead of her drinking my cup, I'm like, let me give you your own cup. And she started just sipping it. So
Is this her first time holding her own cup?
yeah, usually I share with her, but I was like, I need my own cup because she ended up drinking all of my tea. So.
And would you believe that Hanan does not have, well, we never offered her any soda, fruit punches or anything like that to drink. Whenever Hanan wants something to drink, this is what she goes for. Her bottle of water.
That's right.
And
then I'll juice, of course. You know, I love to juice. So I'll juice carrots, apples, celery, and, add some spinach in there. And that will be her form of juice. But we know those are full of nutrients. So she enjoys drinking that. But mostly it's her water. And we try to have 2 cups of tea per day. Yeah. Pretty much.
That's it. That's why. What? How many months? She 21 months now.
She is 22 months.
Oh, 22 months. Ooh.
Yeah, 21 going on 22 months. Yep.
All right. And Hanan has never been sick.
So we say thank you, Lord, and thank you to our KQP lifestyle.
All right. Hanan, take a sip.
Take a sip, Nana.
We're gonna
go ahead.
Call it a wrap.
Take a sip. Come on. Mmm.
Ah.
Delicious.
Oh, see, she's swishing it around in her mouth. Kiss going. Bye
bye.
Bye bye.